I'm over here at Canva, Canva.com, and I'm going to create a Pinterest pin for Robin Palmer's new product, Traffic Underdog. He's a really good marketer, and he's trying to get deal of the day. So I thought I would put on a Pinterest pin, and I'm going to also do what they call a key pin, or I'll call it a pin for lack of a better word. It's the new site that Google is using to try to rival Pinterest. Now, if you've never been to Canva, let me just show you here. If you go to templates, look at all the different templates, and you can pick up a Pinterest graphic right here if you want. And look at all the different templates here. And you'll be able to change all the text and everything. So you have all of these templates. I'm just going to look at this one just because I want to see. There's 735 by 1102 pixels. I am going to create my own design. 735 by 1102. Create a new design. And this is my blank canvas. Because I'm going to be using Traffic Underdog, I'm going to go over here. Let me move this over a bit so you can see it. I'm going to go over here to Uploads, and I want to upload an image, and I want to do it from my Traffic Underdog file. And we'll upload this one. And I'm going to pull it over here. Okay. So this is my canvas. It goes down a little below the screen, Traffic Underdog. I'm going to try to make it into a GIF. So I go down here to Elements over here on the left-hand side. And then I type in stickers. And I'm going to type in dog. And see what they have here for dogs. Look at all the different dogs, and they're moving. So let me try to put some kind of a dog on here, since we're talking about Traffic Underdogs. And this one, make it a little smaller. Move him up here. Maybe put one in the lower right-hand corner here. That looks pretty neat. I just make it a little smaller, and then I'm going to put it down here in the right-hand corner. Let's see, I'm trying to get it hard to see because it's white on white. So we'll have that. And then I have a little text here, but let me see if I want to use any of this. How about 10 specific traffic hacks? So to do text, I go over here to text. And we can do a heading, subheading, a body text. Let's just do body for now. I'm going to move it. I always have trouble trying to get the text in here. I'm going to just paste it. And I'm going to, it wants to go all the way across for some reason. I don't know why. There we go. And you can change your font right up here. I think we'll just make it a little bit bigger. And we can just change the font to anything we want. Semi-bold. I don't know why they have underlined hacks. I assume that's a word. But we can go through here and just look at all the different text. I think I'll just leave it at that for now. Maybe we'll change the color. Red might make it stand out. And now what I'd like to do is maybe say get it now. So go back to stickers here and do some kind, or elements here. And then we'll go to stickers. And we could do arrow. And just go through here and look to see what might be good to put in there. All kinds of different arrows. You know, ones I've used before is a dance. They were kind of good. Like this one, even this one. You just play all you want until you get something that looks pretty good. How about a background color? It's probably what I should have done first so we could see it better here. So we can go up here to background, and you can just do a nice color, or you can do, so now I can see this should be moved down. You're not going to be able to see it. Let me just scroll up a little bit. Maybe you can see it a little bit if I scroll. I'll pull this down. So go to there. So I'm going to move this little dog down a bit. Move this person down a bit. Move this down. And then I want to say, get it now, or get it here. So let me just go back and maybe do an arrow again. You can spend all day just looking at all of these different things. And just put a little text in here again. Get it now. We'll make that again red. And maybe something really bold. Okay, for now I'll just leave it at that, but this is how I would use Canva. Maybe I'd switch this woman out to another dog because it is Traffic Underdog. Be kind of good. Then what you're going to go do is go over here. Let me move the screen so you can see it, where it says download. I have to, before I do that, I have to change the name of it. And I should have done that in the beginning, and I'm not really sure where to do that. Right there. Okay. And when you download it, what we want to do is show more, and we're going to go to video here. Let's see, right here. To this one. I pushed this one before. We want to go right over here, and then we're going to do download and a GIF, and we're going to download it to your computer. And it only takes a few minutes for it to prepare the design. Now I'm not going to put it up on Pinterest yet or on Keen because it's Sunday and he's not going live till July 31st, which is Friday. So I'm going to wait a while before I put it up, but you can always check it. Let me just go. And here it is. I click on it. And you can see this is what they will see on Keen or on Pinterest. So kind of different. I just thought I would show you how to use this for something different. So go check it out. I have a bonus page with 7 great bonuses for this product. Check it out, and I'm sure you won't regret it. The link to the bonus page is in the description below. Be sure to click on it. And before I forget it, don't forget to subscribe, like my channel. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below. Any questions I will gladly answer for you. So please subscribe.